Is it time to buy or sell IONQ stock? In this video, we will explore IONQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 2nd of October, 2024, our system has classified IONQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of nearly 300% since we initially recommended purchasing IONQ 42 days ago. This results in an average return of approximately 7% per day since it was rated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's future direction, as it may move either way. The stock has broken through a significant and robust short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the ceiling of the previously established trend, priced at $29.06. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on upward movement. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 1,023.24% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 574.69% to 794.34%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 45.14% over the next year, with potential returns varying between negative 66.01% and negative 42.88%. This translates to a price range of $12.41 to $20.85 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for IONQ includes the headline, High Volatility in IONQ Inc. stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $36.50. The IONQ Inc. stock price gained 13.46% on the last trading day, Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, rising from $32.17 to $36.50. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 16.65%, with a low of $31.96 and a high of $37.28. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 39.42% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 1 million more shares were traded than the day before. Overall, 23 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $842,860,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $37.28, while the lowest price was $6.23. Currently, the price is 2.09% or 78 cents below the 52-week high of $37.28, which is also the all-time high for the stock. IONQ has garnered increased attention recently, propelled by its strong standing in the quantum computing sector, which is currently evolving from theoretical research to practical applications. Following recent announcements, including a significant collaboration with NVIDIA, IONQ has showcased advancements in hybrid quantum computing at the recent Supercompute 24 event. This heightened visibility and technical progress may bolster investor confidence, likely elevating the stock price in the short term. Furthermore, reports highlighting IONQ as a trending growth stock and a potential millionaire-maker reflect optimism within the tech community. Such narratives can draw in new investors, stimulating demand and potentially driving up the stock price further. Over the long term, IONQ's robust pipeline of innovations, particularly in partnership with notable firms like NVIDIA, positions it favorably within the rapidly evolving quantum sector, suggesting a promising trajectory for sustained growth. As the industry matures, IONQ's capability to integrate its technology with established platforms could pave the way for strong revenue streams, making it an attractive investment for those looking to capitalize on the future of computing. The overall sentiment surrounding IONQ reinforces a bullish outlook for its stock, both in the immediate market response and over the long haul as quantum computing gains mainstream acceptance. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Zacks Investment Research assigned IONQ a perform grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, Needham rated IONQ with a buy grade and also recommended a hold action. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, Benchmark provided IONQ a buy grade, similarly suggesting a hold action. On Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, Needham again rated IONQ with a buy grade and a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 16th of May, 2024, Needham once more assigned IONQ a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned IONQ stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for IONQ. The IONQ Inc. stock exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overall buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $31.95 and $20.77. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, with the stock having increased by 154.18% since then. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The rising volume accompanying the price increase serves as a solid technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 53 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 54 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 58 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 43 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for IONQ. On the downside, the stock encounters support just below today's trading level from accumulated volume at $32.78 and $30.85. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this instance, IONQ Inc. has support just below today's price at $32.78. Should this level be breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume lies at $30.85 and $29.14. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $5.32 between its high and low, which is a 16.65% movement. For the past week, The daily average volatility has been 13.27%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for IONQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on February 26, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 23 cents. It is important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for IONQ. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, it could be prudent to enter a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, IONQ encounters its first support level at $32.78. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for IONQ from various analysts is categorized as a sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions involved Alameddin Rima, who bought and sold a total of 56,125 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is positive, reflecting a ratio of approximately 2.278. In total, insiders acquired 5,298,929 shares and sold 15,493,149 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $35.19, representing a decrease of 3.58%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is IONQ stock a good buy? IONQ Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, these do not appear sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it is advisable to consider this stock as a hold or accumulate position while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and trading movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of December, we anticipate that IONQ will open down by $1.25 and will begin trading at $35.25. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.